Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. 2 large chicken breasts. Chicken fillet, lean protein, rich in vitamins B3 and B6, supports muscles, boosts immunity, and promotes heart health.
Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it.
My name is Isabel. I'm happy to see you on my channel. Add salt. Add black pepper. Let the meat marinate for 30 minutes.
It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me.
500 grams of small new potatoes, about 1.1 pounds.
Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, trying to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody.
Potatoes are rich in potassium, vitamin C and B6, improve digestion, and support heart health.
Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional. And sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next.
Subscribe to the channel.
I want you by
Here, you will always find delicious recipes.
body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too.
Put the potatoes in a bowl.
Body too.
Add salt. Add black pepper. Add garlic powder and smoked paprika.
I want your body.
3 sprigs rosemary.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it? Our lines crossed.
Add some olive oil or vegetable oil.
It doesn't really matter. While wishing for something better. Try to fix things that weren't broke. Misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't
Place the potatoes in a baking dish.
feel the same way. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't.
Bake at 200 degrees Celsius 392 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes, turning once, until the potatoes are golden brown and crispy all over.
If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my
Butter and vegetable oil. Fry the chicken pieces on both sides. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. One onion. Rich in antioxidants, especially quercetin, onions help fight inflammation and support heart health. Pop the fried pieces onto a plate.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
Fry the onion.
The road that lay open on many, and the old ones on harder tonight. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
3 cloves of garlic. Garlic also contains allicin, a compound that helps lower cholesterol and improve circulation. Add the garlic to the onion. Bell pepper. Bell pepper, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, boost metabolism and support immune function. Add the pepper to the onion and garlic. Tomato. Tomatoes, high in lycopene and vitamin C, boost immunity, protect the heart, and reduce inflammation.
Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today, and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Something's gotta give today. It's a good
Add the tomato to the other vegetables. Add 1 tablespoon of flour. Add 200 milliliters of broth, about 3/4 cup.
or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless. No one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars through the floor. Now put your loving, loving, loving on me. Hey, loving on me.
Add 300 milliliters of cream, about 1¼ cups.
And sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah.
Add salt and black pepper.
And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people.
Return the chicken pieces to the sauce.
Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you.
Simmer covered for 20 minutes.
Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes
Bell
I
pepper.
get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
Bell peppers also contain vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which support eye health and reduce inflammation. Tomato. Tomatoes boost immunity, improve digestion, protect skin, reduce blood pressure, and fight inflammation.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got
Cucumber.
our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter. While wishing wishing for something better. I try to fix
Cucumber hydrates the body, supports skin health, aids digestion, is low in calories, and contains antioxidants and vitamins.
we fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts.
Add lettuce leaves.
Waste my time.
Add salt.
If we don't feel the same,
Add lemon juice to the olive oil.
then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along.
Add 2 teaspoons honey to the olive oil.
Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended.
Drizzle the salad with the dressing.
'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No.
Add soft goat cheese. Parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding life. The roads that lay open are many
Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription.
under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin.
Friends, thank you for watching until the end.
Getting into thought from within. Today and not tomorrow.
If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, it's the best reward for my work.
Time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new videos.
To see the horizon and the far. Excuses,
See you in the next videos and take care.
but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
Enjoy your meal.